Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a review widget and embed into your GoHighLevel pages or any other page builder you are using for your website or funnel. Okay, so let me show you a step-by-step process, and first of all I'm going to show you the example. Okay, so here let me show. Here you can see in this page we have the option to rate your experience, and it's showing the 5-star reviews option. So with the review widget you can create the widget like this and add into your page. So when user try to put the negative feedback or the positive feedback, you can handle this inside the review widget. So let me show you the example. So let's say I want to put the 5-star feedback. So once I click on it, it will give me the option to choose in which platform I want to put the feedback. So once I click the Google or Facebook or any other platform that I integrated, it will take me to that platform. So let me show you by clicking this review on Google. Okay, so once I clicked on it, it's take me into the Google My Business page, and it allow me to post right from here. Okay, so it's automatically open the review widget, and it just allow me to put the review and make it post. Okay, so the same way it will work for any platform you are using. Okay, like your Google My Business, Facebook review, or it can be the Trustpilot or Yelp or any other platform. Okay, so I will show you everything. So let me show you the other example. Here we have another widget which is also the yes no button. Actually it will actually work the same way. So when you are using the 5-star ratings and yes no buttons, it will work the same way. So if I click the yes button, then it will show me the button, okay, like the review platform, and if I click no, it will show me the form. Okay, so the same way if user click 1-star, 2-star or 3-star, then actually it will count it as a negative review, and it will show them the GoHighLevel form, so that they can put the negative feedback right here, and you can contact the customer, or you can make the adjustment as needed. Okay, so this is the review widget for the star reviews and buttons. So, and we also have another options. Let me show you. This is we called the floating review button. Okay, so when someone click on this floating button, it will show them the review widget, and they can put the review, okay, into the different platform, or they can put the negative review if they then right inside the widget. Okay, so this way it actually works. So let me show you how you can make this integration. Okay, so here now once you logged into the GHL Code Snippets library, you will see the option called the review widget. Okay, so all you just need to click on it, and now you can set up everything from this page. Okay, so just put your widget name, and then from the type you can select the star rating or the yes no button, and also the widget style you can set it as the embedded right inside your page section, or you can create the floating review as I showed into the example. Okay, so let me show you how you can make this. Okay, so first of all I'm going to select the star rating as my widget type, and then in this example I'm going to integrate with Google My Business and Facebook. Okay, so once I clicked the platform, then it allowed me to put the review URL. Okay, so how you will get the review URL for Facebook and Google My Business? So just get back to your GoHighLevel. Okay, and from the GoHighLevel dashboard, go to the reputation tab here, and then go to the settings. Okay, and after that click review link. Okay, so once you land into this page, you will see all the available integrated platforms. So if you already integrate your GoHighLevel with the Google My Business and Facebook, then you will see the available option here. Okay, so I already integrated, and that's why it's showing me these two options. Okay, so now once I select the Google My Business, then it will show me the link. Okay, so this is this link will automatically generate it right inside your GoHighLevel, so you don't need to make anything else. Okay, so just copy this and then go back to the review widget and put the URL here, and the same way select the Facebook and put it here. Okay, get the link, put it here. And again, one more thing, if you use any other third-party platform like Trustpilot, TripAdvisor, Booking.com, or any other platform, okay, or you just need to select that platform and get the review URL from that platform, and put it here. Okay, and in case if you have the custom one, like not the listed any of the platform, but you want to use the custom, then you can put it here. Okay, the custom link. And also one more thing, you can also customize the button text, like by default it will come with review on the platform name. Okay, so in this example you can see a review on Google My Business or a review on Facebook. If you click booking.com, then it will show a review on booking.com. Okay, but this button text is fully customizable. So in this case I'm going to remove the GMB. I will just keep review on Google. Okay, and then the next step is you can just put your GoHighLevel form. Okay, so let me show you how you can do this. Inside the GoHighLevel form builder, I have created a form called negative feedback. So you can create your form as you need, and then all you just need to save the form and go to the integration, and then copy this embed button. Okay, just copy, click on this, and it will copy the embed code into the clipboard, and then go back to your opt-in form option here, and then paste it here. Okay, so you can see here in this code we have two things, like the iframe, okay, this part, and we also have a script tag here. Okay, with the JavaScript code. So just remove this script tag. Okay, I'm just going to cut it from here and go back to the GoHighLevel page, and inside the page, okay, open the tracking code and put that specific JavaScript code inside the header tracking code. Okay, so and then let me go back here. Okay, so after put this iframe, okay, make sure you just put the iframe here, but the JavaScript part just put into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so and then you can customize the appearance of your button. Okay, the review widget, like your text color, you can set the star rating colors or background or anything else you want to customize here. Okay? You can do this, and you can also enable the animation. You can also enable the widget shadow. Okay, it's by default enabled, but you can also turn it off. Okay, so in this case I'm going to keep it, and then once done you can also preview this. Okay, like once I preview, it's showing me the review widget. Okay, and after that just click the generate widget button. Okay, and then it will give you the option to copy the code. Okay, so the code will automatically generate it, and you all just need to copy. Just click here. Okay, and then go back to your GoHighLevel page and put the copied code from the code snippets library where you actually want to show the review widget. Okay, so in this example I'm using the star ratings and embedded option. You can see we have two different options. Okay, so for the style, embedded option and also floating button. So I'm using the embedded option. That's why I need to put the code exactly where I want to show the review widget. So in this example, let me put it here. Let me add some margin bottom, and then the option to put the code. Well, open the code editor and then paste the code you just copied. Okay, so now we just need to save the page and then click the URL to see the preview. You can see we already have a fully integrated review widget into the page. So now if I click on the 5-star, it will show me the link, and if I click 1-star or 2-star, it will show me the form that I embedded from GoHighLevel. Okay, so this way you can create the embedded widget, and let me show you how you can create other type of widget like yes no button. So all the setup is exactly same. Okay, like your review platform URL, the embed code for the opt-in form or the appearance. All you just need to select the widget type. Like in this example, I'm going to use the yes no button. So I'm just selecting this option, and I will keep this as embedded. So after that, just click here. Okay, and then copy the code, go back to your GoHighLevel and put the code, save the page, and you will see the preview. Let me show you. Here is it. So once I click on the yes button, it will show me the review platform link. If I click the no button, then it will show me the form. Okay, so it will actually work the same way, but the appearance of the review widget is different. Okay, so another option we have called the floating button. As you already know, I showed into the example. So always just need to select the floating button, and if you want to use the star rating as a floating button or the yes no button, you can choose from. So let me show you the star rating and the floating button. So once I clicked, and also we can change the floating settings, okay, like the floating button appearance position, okay, like the bottom right or bottom left or whatever I want, and other settings like the button background, the text color, or anything else. Okay, so once you're done, then you can just copy the code again. And for the floating button, so you can put the embedded code anywhere, so it's not need to put this at the top of the page or middle of the page or bottom of the page. Wherever you want to put the code, you can use that. Okay, so in this example I'm going to put it here, and then I will show you the example. Let me show you. Okay, so here I already have this, so let me save this page and I will show the example right from here. Okay, let me preview it. Yeah, here's it. So you can see the rate or services button already added, and if I click here, then it show me the platform, like the review platform. If I click the negative feedback, then it will show me the embedded form. Okay, so this way it actually works. Okay, so if you are not the premium member of GHL Code Snippets, then you can upgrade your account. But if you are already premium member, and then you can use this feature inside the GHL Code Snippets library. And also, if you are not a member, then you can join the GHL Code Snippets library for free, and you can use a lot of things for free, like our free code snippets. Okay, like we have lots of different free code snippets, and also we have the option to create a background, gradient background, gradient text, or the gradient color if you want to use this in your pages. Also the box shadows like this. Okay, we have many different box shadows. Also we have the button effect. Okay, by using this you can create your button effect, and you can use it into your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so this way we have also different buttons, so you can use all of this for free. But if you want to use our premium code snippets or other premium services from here, the premium code snippets, then always just need to upgrade your account. Okay, so you can do it right from the platform. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also you can write a comment or feedback if you want right below the video, and you will get the link of our GHL Code Snippets library right below this video into the description. So that's it for this video. Have a nice day.